Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel MLT Concepts Made Easy. In this video, I will discuss about the gram staining. Gram staining is often the first test performed in microbiology laboratories. It provides immediate, valuable information that guides diagnosis and further identification tests. This is the content of this video. Gram staining technique is developed by Hans Christian Gram in 1884. This is a differential staining technique. This staining method differentiates bacteria into gram-positive and gram-negative organisms. The principle of gram staining is based on the difference in the structure and composition of bacterial cell walls, especially the thickness of the peptidoglycan layer. Gram-positive bacteria have a thick peptidoglycan cell wall, therefore retains crystal violet iodine complex, so appear in purple color. Gram-negative bacteria have a thin peptidoglycan cell wall, therefore lost the primary stain during decolorization and taking up the counter stain, therefore appear in pink color. These are the reagents in gram staining technique. First one is crystal violet. This is the primary stain. Second one is grams iodine. This is the mordant. Third one is acetone or alcohol. This is the decolorizer. Final one is safranin. This is the counter stain. This is the procedure of gram staining technique. First, we have to prepare a thin smear on a clean glass side and air dry the smear. Then heat fix the smear gently. Then flood the smear with crystal violet for 1 minute. Then wash with the water. Then add grams iodine for 1 minute. Again wash with the water. Then decolorize with acetone or alcohol for 10 to 20 seconds. Wash immediately. Then counter stain with safranin for 30 seconds. Then wash and air dry. Then observe in microscope under oil immersion. Result and interpretation. Gram-positive bacteria appear in purple color. Examples for gram-positive bacteria are Staphylococcus and Streptococcus. Gram-negative bacteria appear in pink color. Examples are Escherichia coli and Klebsiella. Common mistakes in gram staining technique are: false result can be occurred when we use all bacterial culture. Improper staining can be caused by thick smear. Excessive heat during fixation can be a cause for cell distortion. Over-decolorization is cause for gram-positive may appear as gram-negative. Under-decolorization is a cause for gram-negative may appear as gram-positive. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.